Sometimes people come to me wondering why they can't find any work at all. And then I ask them, who are you networking with? Where are you going? What sorts of meetups are you going to? Are you speaking? Are you sharing your knowledge in any way, shape, or form? And the answer is always, no, I'm just sending in my resume begging for a job. And that won't get you anywhere, unfortunately. You do need to get yourself out there and meet people face to face. Now, I know the temptation is to stay home, join online groups, and never talk to anyone in person. And to an extent, you can get some jobs online, that does exist. But you can't find the best stuff by hiding away and never ever meeting people. If that means needing to travel to a game development hub once a year, then that's worth it. Or if that means that you'll need to do something like put your videos up on YouTube, then that's worth it. Or if it means that you'll need to become an expert in your field and write about it on a blog, then that's worth it. You do need to put yourself out there as much as possible and meet people in person in some way, shape, or form so that they know, like, and trust you. It's really easy to just go online and find 10,000 really good demo reels, but if you don't know the person, then you're far less likely to be trusted. But if they've met this person 10 times before and they have good skills, that person's got the job, no question. So for most of you who think that you can't go anywhere or travel anywhere or meet anyone in person, I challenge you to actually do that, even if it's once a year, going to a bigger city and talking to just a few game developers. Even if it's just a 1-hour drive away and it's a small community that's close to you, go do that. Start doing these things because your network will grow over time as you start attending these sorts of meetings, conferences, and events. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.